welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see if you have iPhone and you want to record some telephone call. So now iPhone are introducing by default application. How to do it and how to use, we will see detailed demonstration in this video. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So now let's start as an iPhone screen. So now let's start as a demonstration. Simply first of all I will give you demonstration. I just call one of my family member, and in the screen nowhere showing any of call recording related features. So how to active and how to do it, it's very simple. Just simply cut the phone and go back, and you need to enter the setting option. Inside the setting option, general and iPhone are introducing new update related on call recording. So look at this here, iOS 18 I updated beta version, and here iOS 18.1 beta is available. You just simply update now, put it your password and wait couple of seconds. The features is just only 686 MB only, depend upon your internet speed. Look at this here, Apple Intelligence is available on iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. Apple Intelligence is not currently available in the EU or China. After complete the 100% update, download. Now time to install and update the software. So look at this updated version, and now we'll see, we check. I just simply call back and hope so he received the phone call. After receiving the phone call, look at this here, top of the screen here, recording option are available. You just simply go to continue. This call will be recorded. Look at this. So after receiving the phone call is recorded. Now I just simply end the call, and let's see where the recorded phone call is saved. So look at this, new recording phone calls save on your note application. If you want play, look at this, now the call is recorded on your, now look at this, the phone call is recording. It's really amazing. You can, and even the voice clarity is fabulous. You can do this process and record telephone call from your iPhone without using any third-party application. So guys, if you really like this iPhone tips and tricks, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.